How should we start to raise an intelligent, skillful, and kind child? Certainly, every command comes from here, the brain. But what is the best way to stimulate their brains? Fingers have many nervous systems which connected with the brain's commanding system. In addition, fingers can also improve connection system with the brain and produce fat, which covered around brain fibers. So why brain stimulation is important for children? Intelligence doesn't depend on the brain size. But nerves that were connected together in the brain, which only happen to children around 5 to 15 years old. If they're not stimulated during that time, they will be degenerated. We would regret if we let children lose their potential to improve brain. Normally, study by using pen or pencil to calculate. Only improve the brain on the left side. Smart Brain is a calculation course of using abacus for brain stimulation. There will be more connection of brain cells by using abacus continually. When children solve their problems, they will use left brain, which is a logical side for calculation, as well as right brain, which responds to visualization and imagination. This occurs during the calculation process. There will be a synchronization between left and right brains, which also improve the nervous connectivity. The left brain is good for analyzation, calculation, and communication, while the right brain is for emotional control, imagination, and planning as a whole. Smart Brain course will improve both sides of children's brain. To receive much more information, besides receiving information, children can evaluate, think, analyze, and synthesize their information orderly. Because of full brain stimulation, children are ready for every experience that will come. Children's brain will be improved on both sides simultaneously. They will have good concentration to learn mathematics, science, arts, socials, and other subjects too. In addition to good brain balance, improving both sides of brain will help control children's emotional quotient and also improve their creativity. Smart Brain course prepares endless intellectual foundation for children and will improve each of their abilities effectively. Don't let children waste the best time, because we don't know what there will be in the future, but we want to make sure that a brain with full potential will grow with them to the future. Maybe the result will flourish beyond our expectation.
4, 6, 9, 7, 9. Answer.
35.
35. Bravo, Mumtazi. Mumtazi,